Welcome to this exciting meeting about how about changing your life. People always wonder when is the right time to make decisions. Well, maybe tonight is the right time. Maybe it is now. Or if you're watching the recording, maybe the time is now to make a decision. So let's go into this and see. Many years ago, we were in a situation where we had to make a choice. We had to make a decision. It was one Christmas. Financially, we were in dire straits. We had to decide school clothes or toys. We didn't have the money for both. It was 3 little children looking with bright eyes at Christmas. They want gifts. But we had to buy them school clothes, wrap it, and put that under the Christmas tree. Now, at first we were quite relieved because when they opened the gifts, they were actually excited about the new school clothes. But that just showed us in what a financial situation we were. And we realized we better do something about this. So that was an eye-opener for us to see how financially broke we were. Well, we tried several things. Lisa made tracksuits for children. She sold that. She made banana loaves for home industries. Lisa and myself, we were involved in selling cosmetics. Yes, I could tell you about crimson red lipstick and ice blue nail polish and cleanser, toner, moisturizer and blusher and toner and all the funny stuff which men are so excited about, you know. I started to plant nursery in your backyard, and from the plant nursery I started to sell plants in an attempt to increase our income. With the craft markets, some days we sold nothing. So it was not very exciting to go to craft markets and not being able to sell anything. I finished an honors degree, and thanks to the honors degree, my salary went up a little bit. So I said, okay, fine, let me try a master's degree. Then I did a master's degree. I started with it, but when I started with it, some funny things happened. Chris and Barbara started telling us about a way they had of making extra money. And via snail mail, they contacted us and they would tell us how much they were making. And we were saying, shame, they were working hard for peanuts. In the meantime, I didn't do my homework because their peanuts was far more than my salary increase would have been after 4 years part-time study doing a master's degree. Okay. A check changed our lives. Something very interesting happened. Chris and Barbara were on holiday for 2 weeks. Now for 2 years we were not interested. We didn't want to even take a look. We said, not interested, leave us alone. So during the 2-week holiday, they came to us for 2 days. And what happened was they said, when we go back, a check of about 20,000 rand is waiting for us. Now that is in pounds about 900 pounds. Okay. We said, how is it possible? You are on holiday. How do you do that one? And then they explained it to us, and we started. And within the first month that we started, we made about 3 times more than my salary increase would have been after 4 years part-time study. So I stopped the master's degree just there and then. So that was an easy sum to make then. Health became part of our story. So I just have to add this in. It was not only about the money, it also saw changes in your family's health. Our life changed, health and wealth in other words changed, and personal growth. Quick background. I had rheumatic fever when I was 14, and Michael died when I was 18, and then I got recurring throat infections for about 10 to 12 times a year, and 3 to 4 times a year I needed antibiotics. And after we changed our buying habits, our nutrition, and got involved with the things that Barbara and Chris told us, my throat infection stopped. It's now been more than 30 years and I have not needed any antibiotics for throat infections at all. Our son's dairy allergy also cleared up from things we've learned. So it's more than just wealth. We also learned about health, and it changed our lives. And that's why I like sharing this with people, because I want to help you change your life as well. There's opportunity, a long-term vision and track record. It started in 1958. It was founded in the US of A. So it's older than many of you watching. probably older than most of you, if not all. Okay? But the point is, it tells you it's not a fly-by-night opportunity. It operates in about 60 countries. That's also ensuring, telling us, hey, it's not a fly-by-night thing. Long-term record vision. Many benefits. Let's look at your own boss, unless you're a married man, of course. Unless you're your own boss. Free training and support. Save and make money. Unlimited income potential. The only limit is the limit you put in yourself. Do it part-time or full-time. You can decide. I'm still doing it part-time. I've been doing part-time for more than 30 years now. You're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. That's comforting. You can get holidays and rewards, and we've been on some holidays. Whoa, amazing holidays. Like MEC Symphonia for 4 nights and 5 days, for example. Going to Sun City for 5 days. Went on a tour in South Africa for more than 2 weeks as well. Now it was amazing what you can get here. And it's lots more than that. And you can earn in foreign currency. Yes, we earn money from a couple of countries. Although we don't know people personally, or haven't met people personally from overseas. Now, here's the thing. We all share great news. If you come across a bargain or something exciting, you tell your friends. About a week ago, I went to a shop here locally, and they had Nazis in a bag, about a kilogram, for only 10 Rand a bag. And a few days later, tomatoes, 750 grams for 7 Rand a bag. Now currently tomatoes cost like 20 Rand plus a kilogram. And what happened? I told other people about these specials at the shop. So think about it, I was marketing the specials for the shop, but not getting paid for that. But the point is, we like to tell people. If you went to a restaurant, at a nice meal, you tell people about it. Say, oh, the food there is nice. Okay? That's who we are. We like to tell people about things. And that is what we do, in short. But I'm going to explain to you more. So what you have to do, let's tell you what you have to do. You're going to tell others, show others how to buy at a discount and save. Just like I said, I saw the shop, those tomatoes at a special, and I told other people about it. Same here. You tell people about this exciting way of saving and making money. Because you cut out the wholesalers, the advertisers, the retailers, the reps, and the shoplifters. All the people that cause the price to be higher. So in other words, you cut out all the middlemen. Now there are 4 simple steps in what we do. 1, you buy products yourself when you want, as much as you want, at a discount. So you save money because you buy at a discount. 2, you get education and support. You learn and grow. So that way you know what to do, how to do it, and how to help other people. 3, you share the opportunity. Others, you tell other people, listen here, you can also buy the discount and you can also make money. Just like you told the people about the tomatoes and the Nazis. You tell other people same way. And on that you can earn a bonus. I'm going to explain it in a few minutes. And lastly, if people are not interested, they can buy the products also. And you can earn a profit on that. But let me explain in more detail. But the first 3 steps are your focus. Use products at a discount. Support your own business, in other words. Get education and support. Learn how to do things. And 3, share the business and earn a bonus in the process. Those 3 are the most important. So how do you earn? Let me show you. First, you save as you buy. First, you buy the discounts. Immediately the savings you can use for something else or save, keep for another day. So you already score some money there. 2, you can, but this is step 4, okay? If you sell to customers, you can make a profit of about 20-25%, but this is not where the main money lies. That's why we said selling to customers is not the main focus. 3, team turnover bonus. This is where the main focus lies. As your team uses and sells products, your total turnover grows and you earn a bonus on it. Think about all the big franchise businesses out there. You know, the fried chicken and all those things. The head office makes a lot of money, because all the branches have to pay a percentage to them. Something similar is going to happen here. Similar principle. Except here you can what you call sub-franchise, which a normal franchise cannot do. And here you earn on the whole team, the total turnover of your whole team. Let me show a bit more how that works. Okay, how much can you earn? Let me give you an example. Now these are conservative ideas. If you would pick up 10 customers, you can earn, let's say, 2,000 rand per month or 90 pounds, give and take, a month. Can be more, depends on you. I know of a lady here in the Cape Town area, a few years back already, she was earning around about 20,000 rand a week from customers. But she went out selling like crazy and did it full time. Okay, that's not the focus of the business, but what I'm trying to tell you is, if you want to, you can make money that way too. If you've got 50 customers, look where you are now. Okay? But if you build a promoted team, people who register because they also want to buy a discount and they also want to help other people, you can earn far more. You see the estimates there? Build a promoted team, 20,000 plus per month. I know people earning more than 100,000 rand per month. I know people earning even far more than that. That's why I say you are your own limit to how much you can earn. Like I said, even much more. Now, how the income adds up, let me show you. If you personally use, these are just examples. If you use like 5,000 rands worth of products, okay, if you use that much of products, you will save about 700 rand, 800 rand, give and take. I've put in the pounds there as well. If you buy 200 pounds, you save about 33 pounds because you buy at a discount. Remember, you've not told other people about opportunity, and they're also registered because they also want to do this. They also want to buy at a discount. Just like you, they want to buy at a discount. Now, let's say you've got a team. The team that's a turnover of 60,000 rand. You earn a bonus on that of about 10%. So that's not all. Let's say you have got some customers. You don't have to focus on customers, but let's say you have some customers. And you sell 5,000 rand worth of product to customers, you earn a profit of around about 900 rand give and take. But I hope you've noticed, point 2 gives you a much bigger income than point 3. That's where you don't focus on customers. Yes, you have some customers, but you don't focus on them. You focus on helping people buy the discount and help them to help other people buy the discount. I'll just build a team of users, of consumers. That's where you must focus. Total turnover in my example now is 70,000 rand. Your bonus in the total turnover is, let's say, 6,000 rand. Probably will be more, but let's stick to conservative numbers just to show the principle. Estimated monthly income, the 900 rand from the products you've sold, plus the bonus is 6,000 rand. And you can add even the 700 rand plus that you've also saved. So you see, this is just the principle. It can be much bigger than this. The bigger your team of people who are buying at a discount, the more money you make. So by naturally talking to people about specials, this is a special thing. You actually build a team. There are different products they can buy discount, the weight management, healthcare, home care, skin and personal care products. A wide range. These are things that people buy every month. Like Amazon, we get products delivered to their door. So you don't even have to worry about delivery. It gets done for you depending on where the person is and so on, okay? So if people don't earn an extra income, you can sell the products and have it delivered at their door. Just like Amazon does that. Okay? You even get a free website, which the people can go onto the website and they can order on the website, just like Amazon. Okay?
I am Potlana Judith Pila. I am married and blessed with 4 daughters, 2 sons, and 2 grandchildren. I am a teacher by profession. As a teacher, I was financially stressed, and this had a negative impact on my health. I joined on a part-time basis because I wanted to improve my health, and I also wanted financial freedom. Through the wonderful products, I got my chronic asthma under control, and today I'm no longer on inhalers. My family has also benefited from these products. I also experienced financial breakthrough I've been praying for. I'm no longer teaching. I own a beautiful home and have sent all my children to private schools. As a teacher, I would never have been able to travel abroad. But through this business, I've been to Hong Kong, I've been to Dubai, and earlier this year, we went on a vacation to a beautiful holiday resort at George. And next year, we'll be going to Prague. None of this would have been possible without my wonderful team.
There's an example of a lady who used to be a teacher, how she built a team of people who wanted to buy the discount and help them build their teams, and look what she has achieved there. Now, chronic disease worldwide is a crisis. 71% of all deaths globally caused by chronic disease, and up to 80% could have been prevented, delayed, or alleviated through proper nutrition and better lifestyle choices. That means around 60% of deaths globally could have been prevented, delayed, or alleviated through proper nutrition and better lifestyle choices. But people are not told this. E-commerce just with the profits, what they sell products, not worrying about whether it's good for you or not. Here it's different. We care for you, we care for your health. We want to help you so you get a better health, you and your family. People say, well, I eat right. Let's see. In this study of 22,000 people, not one person got all 10 essential nutrients. Now, essential means you must get it from your food. Your body cannot produce it. Furthermore, independent studies show dramatic nutrient depletion in food. The serving of spinach, vitamin A fell by 30%, vitamin C fell by 53%. You can notice there's a decline in nutritional value of our food. 74% of adults that's in the USA, more than that actually, take supplements daily. Most westernized countries, you find this type of figure. Even South Africa, probably 60% plus. I don't know exact value, but majority of adults take supplements at some stage in their life. Now, some lab analysis, this might shock you. You have to eat 8 oranges today compared to when I was a child and a student. Because then I could eat 1 orange and get the same nutrition as you would get from 8 oranges today. Same with apples, even more frightening. To get iron from an apple, you now have to eat 26 apples to get equal to 1 apple of, well, 80 years, 70 years ago. It's shocking how the food nutritional value has declined because of farming methods. What's really in our food? Just a few examples. There are many more. Just a few examples. GMO foods, especially corn. These rats were fed GMO corn, and look what happened. Breast cancer, testicle cancer. Monsanto obviously gives you a much better study showing you how healthy it is, but independent studies show a different story. Honey without pollen. In other words, the honey is not really honey. There's other food like olive oil is also. Some olive oils that you buy is actually only good to be used as shoe polish. It's disgusting what is being sold in our shops. Let's go on some other examples. Labels don't always tell the truth. Toxins in baby food. Clean label products found arsenic, cadmium, lead, and acrylamide at high levels in nearly 80% of infant formula and baby foods. And we think we are giving our babies healthy food. We buy these fancy bottled and packaged baby foods, but look what happens here. We're poisoning our babies. No wonder so many young children have allergies and all these other health issues. No wonder. Hidden drugs in joint supplements. A product sold at Walmart listed omega-3, glucosamine, and curcumin, but what was in there? Anti-inflammatory drugs that could lead to heart attacks, stroke, and bleeding. A voluntary recall followed. There's just one example. There are many, many more like this. But they'll keep you busy for an hour at least. Let's rather go on. Multivitamin study. The top 21 brands in America was investigated by consumerlab.com. And look what they found. That's an interesting one. Take note. 11 of the 21, the labels were wrong. So how do you know what you're getting? You cannot trust the label, you cannot trust what's inside the pill. Then, 3 of them did not dissolve at all. You swallow it and it comes a hole at the bottom. What's the purpose of that? Wasting your money. 1 contained lead, and lead is a toxin, it's poisonous. 6 brands remained, and they were used in the next study by the US National Cancer Institute. And look what happened. This is frightening. This is frightening. They took 2,000 stage 4 cancer patients. 1,000 got this 6 best multivitamins. The other 1,000 got the placebo. And take note what happened. Placebo group, no change. Things happened the way they expected. Those who got the 6 top multivitamins, their cancer increased by 32%. Shocking. Unfortunately, the labels of the laws on supplements is lacking. It's terrible. You can literally go take grass cuttings, put in a capsule, and put a label contains carotenoids and sell it as a health product. And you'll get away with it. Only time people get caught is if somebody sends the product it to be tested. And then if it's been tested, then they can prove that there's some bad stuff in there. But that doesn't happen that often, unfortunately for us. So you must use products from a company that can be trusted. If you're serious about your health and your family's health, think about that. That includes food as well. Not just supplements, but food also. Some more evidence. New York State Attorney General reports in those products, herbal products, they did not contain the herbs like ginkgo bilobis and John's wort and so on. I mean, how can people get away with it? Don't they have a conscience? It's shocking. What was in there? Powdered rice, beans, peas, wild carrots, fillers like powdered legumes and grass. People are just off your money. You must make wise choices. Now remember, everything I'm saying here tonight is from a primary healthcare perspective. I'm not to place a doctor's prescription or anything. I'm just telling you things that I've picked up and learned, and you must take responsibility for your own health and do your homework. This is from a primary healthcare perspective. Let me tell you, if you want to look for supplements, there are certain things you must look for. Are they made from human, natural, whole foods, from organic foods? Are they produced under the pharmaceutical license? That means what is in the product will be the label. What's the label will be in the product. The company has done human clinical trials. They've tested the product on humans. I've actually found 4 companies about the calcium products. And I asked them, one company was straight honest. They said, we don't test it on humans, otherwise the pill will be too expensive. Now, how can you make a product not even test it on humans to see whether it does what it's supposed to do? And that applies to 99% probably of all supplements on the market. Probably 99%. I don't know the exact figure, but you'll be surprised. Also, was the research then published in peer-reviewed journals where other scientists could look at it and study it? And does the product carry a seal of accountability, a third-party seal that says they've checked its product? Now, here's a product with lipids and sterols in. 2 scientists won a Nobel Prize in 2003 for showing that this specific lipids and sterols improve the absorption of nutrients, we call it assimilation, of nutrients at the cell level by up to 50%. So more nutrients from the blood will go into the cells. And the cells will give off waste up to 55% more effective of the detoxification of the cells. Now, these lipids and sterols are important to balance hormones, thyroid and adrenals, for better sleep, for energy, for mental health, for nerve transmission and brain activity. And it's not in our food anymore because we don't eat whole grains. People want white bread, white flour. They don't want whole grains. And we need it. And this study was done initially in the 1950s already. Another one, carotenoid complex. Carotenoids are your red, orange, yellow, dark green colors in fruit and veggies. We're supposed to eat nowadays, they say, between 7 and 14 portions of fruit and veggies a day. How many of you are eating 2 to 3 portions of fruit and veggies a day? I think how many children eat none a day? They don't get carotenoids in their diet. Look what happens here. Carotenoids boost the immune system by 37%, immune cells, killer cells up to 20%, and lowers oxidation, that means aging, for example, by up to 44%. And reduces heart problems from cholesterol, for example, heart disease up to 500%, all this in 20 days. So we have to look at our health. I want to show another product. Now this is published in the New England Journal of Medicine and other journals as well. Another product, Salmon Oil Plus or Omega-3 Plus. Again, it lowers inflammation by up to 68% within 8 weeks. And it's tested for 200 plus impurities. Contains all 8 naturally occurring omega-3s. Not 2, not 1, all 8. Cold extracted from the fillet of fish. Good for heart, bone, joint, prostate and brain health. Better vision, fewer headaches and mood issues, better memory. Research is there. Published in peer-reviewed journals as well. Complete amino acid shake. Contains all 22 amino acids. Now most shakes would get 14 to 18. Lucky to find some with 19 even. 20 are needed to make proteins, and the 2 others are involved in other processes in the body, like neurotransmitters and so on. But you need all 22 every day. 25 essential vitamins and minerals from whole foods in there as well. Fiber. Protein process. This protects the protein. So much so that even people with kidney problems can take this shake. Normally people with kidney problems cannot take a lot of protein. It's not good for them, but that's what they can. It helps the body with energy and focus, muscle growth and retention, weight management, tissue repair, and easy digestion. Look at this one. Protein shakes. Clean Label Project showed lead, cadmium, and BPA. Look there. 7% lead, cadmium 74%, BPA 55% in protein shakes. BPA even in organic protein shakes. Plant-based powders were the worst. Those tested God of Life raw protein ranked last. And how many people are using protein shakes and end up with kidney problems? It's frightening, it's disgusting, it's terrible. I don't know how they can live with the conscience, the people who sell this stuff.
Here's a woman, Chris and Barbara met her, terminal cancer, fighting it the medical way for years. She starts looking after body, eating correctly, juicing, cooking from scratch. Here I am, I'm cancer-free for 36 years, and I'm still having vegetable juice every day. And we got onto a real good nutritional program, and there she is today, a tad difference. Can you spot the difference? Ah, lost her. There you are. A tad difference, right? So that to me is really, really exciting.
You know, there are many examples like that. Beyond supplements, we also got things that people use every day, skincare products that are 100% organic, tested on humans, got the Cosmos seal because it's 100% organic. It's wonderful products. They're home care products that you can use all over the house, non-toxic. It's even used in the butterfly world. Italy's Bordano house, for example, because they can wash the cages and put the butterflies back in. It doesn't harm the butterflies. Penguins, well soaked, can be cleaned. These products actually work cheaper than stuff you buy in the shops, and they're non-toxic.
Hello folks, what a privilege it is for me to spend a few minutes sharing with you about the most incredible opportunity that ever crossed my path. I was 26 years old when they discovered I had leukemia. Newly married to a wonderful bride for about 2 years, had a little baby daughter, and I was desperate to stay alive. The next 5 years, I fought my cancer the medical way. Well, after 5 years, I was sent home to die. It was a really traumatic time in our family. And that's when we discovered what an incredible God we have with impeccable timing. Because He sent somebody across my path to teach me that the body is the healer. That we have to change the environment and our lifestyle. And the first thing that I changed was the supplements I was taking. And within a matter of days, my energy increased, my liver swelling went down, my leukemia count improved. And I wanted to find out more about this company with its incredible products. You see, I thought that all supplements were whole food supplements. I was horrified to discover what I was taking had either turpentine, petroleum, rocks, or metal in. When I got into whole food, they changed my life. Then I started researching this company. Well, at that time, my wife and I, we had 4 companies in 3 different countries with about 200 staff. And the stress of that was also playing havoc on my life. And I was looking for an opportunity that had the benefits of this industry, but I didn't know there was an opportunity like that out there. And so as I researched this industry, I discovered, number one, this company sells to the world. That means you can have businesses around the globe. You're not based in one economy. Today, my wife and I, we've got income from 26 different countries around the globe. As I researched this industry, I discovered that you're wanting unique products. And the products of this company are so unique that there's not one other business on planet Earth that can serve you the quality, the ingredient, and the results that these products can supply. The next thing I discovered that you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. That to me was so incredible, because any other industry, most of them fail because of either lack of expertise or lack of income. And this business, you don't need expertise because you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. Somebody's going to guide you and train you and empower you. At the same time, you don't need income, because this business will create its own income as you go along. You don't have to invest thousands into education and learning that you take out from your income that you're producing from this business. The next thing I loved about this opportunity was flexi time. It's a little hobby you start at spare time. And while I had my business of 200 staff, I started this up, and I actually could replace my income within a few years from this opportunity. Well, the more I researched it, the more excited I got about it, because I discovered there's no staff, there's no bosses. That to me was absolutely incredible, because I had 200 staff, and I always wanted to be my own boss, but I didn't want the stress that went with it. I didn't have to have warehousing. The company does the warehousing. I didn't have to do the shipping. The company does the shipping. I didn't have to control marketing plans. The company controls all that kind of stuff. So here I was free to do what I was best at, and that was working with people.
That's just an example of one person who had a big success. Time is running out. Let me quickly show you here non-toxic products. Very quickly show you. I chose this basket from a local store in South Africa. And take note, those 9 products can be replaced by 2 other products. I will show you the difference. Here is one product. Replace those 6 products. Take note, 1 liter bottle of that gives you 11 liters of product. And you see the before and after picture there of the paving with this product. Now, buying those 6 products in the supermarket will cost you about 224 Rand here in South Africa. Now, that converted directly to pounds would be at 10 pounds. If you use this product that I'm talking about here, it will work at about 126 Rand to have the same amount of a cleaning product, same amount, okay, for about half the price. As you can see, they're almost half the price. Now, the other product replaces those 3, the Sunlight Liquid, Dark Shampoo, and the body wash. And you will see it also saves you money. You get 6 liters from that bottle, and the difference being from 234 Rand to only 89 Rand. That is a big difference. If you summarize that, you can see the difference there. Yeah. Retail price 495 Rand, but 22 pounds. And discount price, sorry, this is not discount price, this customer price, our products, 215 Rand. The 495 Rand is the shop products. Now, if you register, you can take another 40 Rand off that amount. It's about 170 Rand give and take you pay. So it makes sense to use the products because you save. And that's the whole idea. We help people save money. We talk to people and teach them how to save money. There's a disinfectant as well. Take note the difference of price here. Dettol will cost you more than 100 Rand a litre. This disinfectant tested with certificates will work out about 29 Rand a litre. Same hospital strength. Make your own comparison, test for yourself, and you'll see that you will save. If you look at calcium tablets, don't have to go through the detail, but typical calcium tablets in the shops, you need about 8 tablets to get to one of those that we use And if you work at price, the one in shops will cost you, let's say, 8 Rand, ours will cost you about 3 Rand a tablet. But you have to take 8 tablets to get you one of ours. So in the end, which one is more expensive? That's why we have to teach people how to save money and shop wisely. Help make the world a healthier and happier place. Help protect your families from dangerous supplements and help them enjoy healthier lives. Help protect them with dangerous cleaning products as well. Share the opportunity with people and help them to have better in finances and better health. And in the process, you can benefit financially yourself. Thank you.